What's up? My name's Eugene, and I just want to say a few words about how Adam has helped me progress in my production journey. I've been producing since 2015, and when I reached out to him for feedback on a track I made in 2021, he offered to take me on as a student for his course, and after much deliberation, I decided to commit to learning under a seasoned 10-year veteran of the scene. I have 2 completed demos ready for release on a big label, one of which is a remix of Adam's track, which will be released as a package deal, none of which would have been possible without Adam as a guiding light. What I love most about Adam is that he advocates for you and your success in the industry. You don't just get lessons and tutorials. You get a mentor who will fight for you every step of the way. He'll get you contacts to reputable labels and help with the auxiliary side of professional artistry, like social media, press shots, and designing your logo, as well as advice on the ins and outs of working as a professional producer and DJ. Most importantly, he is honest with you and will never tell you what you want to hear, but rather what you need to hear, because he wants you to succeed. When I eventually hit my dream of going full-time as a touring producer and DJ, I have no one more to thank than Adam for making it happen.